Yep, I knew they were going to come. I'm going silent. Try to get that money.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has
and Granite around 6:20 p.m. Truck around 6:25 p.m. Your thunderstorm was located over West Alexandria, southeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour with gusts and nickel-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to
There we
roofs,
go.
siding, and trees. This
Rather
severe
than
thunderstorm
when it's time to zoom.
This severe thunderstorm will be near Camden, West Alexandria, and Gradus around 6:20 p.m. Trotwood around 6:25 p.m.